afternoon. My name is Scott Rudd, the Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是主持人张叔，在纽约向您问好。周一美股收跌，我们看到今天市场几乎都在关注今天晚上将要举行的一个美国总统大选第一次正式的辩论，而在今天的市场整个过程当中，我们看到包括像金融板块以及医疗健康板块也是有一个比较大的下跌，特别是医疗板块。主要原因是因为之前候选人希拉里曾经很大程度上的去抨击美国当前的药品价格，因此当时是使得医疗健康板块迅速的暴跌。所以说今天晚上普遍外界的期待是希拉里可能会以一个强势的姿态来胜出，因此这样子一个预期显然是已经体现在了今天的市场当中。另外一方面，宏观经济层面上，本周也会将有一系列的经济数据和经济事件发生，增加本周市场的一个波动性。首先之一就是本周将会有非常多的消费者以及制造业的数据公布，而最为重要的就是周五将公布的个人消费以及个人支出，而这些数字也是将会直接的反映着是否正如外界所预料的，美国当前的经济状况有疲软的迹象。另外一方面呢，一系列的美联储官员将出来与外界沟通，强调当前美国经济的状况以及对于加息的预期。最为重要的就是美联储主席耶伦在周三将要进行的一个经济作战讲话。另外一方面，今天我们看到原油价格是有一个比较强势的反弹，超过了 3.3%， 而这主要原因是由于欧佩克石油输出国组织将在周三与非欧佩克石油生产国进行一个能源会议。虽然外界对于此次会议是否能达成一个协议是保有比较怀疑的态度，但是关于这个会议的一举一动无疑都成为了现在市场的一个头条。另外一方面，关于今天晚上这个总统大选辩论呢，有消息人士认为，如果特朗普获胜的话，那将会提升一系列避险资产的价格，包括像黄金、日元、日本国债等等。好的，更多的消息让我们来看一下今天的交易员访谈。Hi Scott, your stocks traded sharply lower as financials and also healthcare being the major laggards. And today definitely Deutsche Bank has some trouble. Do you think that's a reason they're winning on the market today?
Well, whenever you hear a company like or a stock like Deutsche Bank, a major financial, the biggest financial in all of Europe, at yearly lows, it brings back some footsteps from the financial crisis. Okay. So, it didn't have the market fall apart, but you know what? Made you think about taking a little risk down. And if you look first at the chart of the S&P cash, you will see, we've been in this choppy range, and it's not been the easiest environment for traders. Here's that 2-year resistance that turned into support right here. Remember that? Okay, remember when we broke down from the summer range? Well, there's been some methodical trading. What do I mean by methodical trading? Well, here was your retest, right? You had your retest of this 2120. Okay, then you had a really nice trade, okay, above this lower wedge here at 2145, giving you some follow through, filling this gap to the penny almost. And then Friday seemed like a normal day after a big move. Then today I think was a little unexpected. So we did come in a little bit further than some of the bulls would want, but we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. If we could hold around this spot, around 2145, and do something like this and continue up, that's fine. But if anything lower than this, we're now below the 8 and 21 days. So if you are a trader, you probably took off some risk like I did. And anytime you see something like Deutsche Bank, making historic lows, not even historic, I'm sorry, yearly lows, it's a little bit of a problem. But, for people who watch our show, no one's long this thing. The 200-day is all the way up here. We've been below the 200-day since $32. So Red Dog says if you're below the 200-day, it's not a buy. Maybe there's a trade above the 8 and 21-day, but it's not even above that. So, it was a problem waiting to happen. And at least, in our market, Goldman Sachs, gave us a bit of a leading indicator on Friday. What do I mean by that? Look how Goldman Sachs broke this range right here. So Goldman Sachs broke this inside range, telling you that the U.S. banks could be weak also. So I don't think any traders got caught with their, down today. But overall, below all the moving averages, and the financials are back to being a headwind.
Okay, and the focus is on the first U.S. presidential debate tonight. And today, I think the investors are taking some risk off the table. And based on what we're seeing in the bio, so do you think people are already priced in Hillary Clinton's victory?
I think they're leaning that way. That's why, and plus, it's a little bit of a wild card. We're getting close to the election. People say, if Trump wins, the market's going to crash, which I don't think it's going to, but it's a bit of an unknown. And a lot of people are using the correlation of bios, which I am also. And so with the debate coming up, why not take a little bit of risk down? The IBB just had a really big move. Remember when Hillary fainted? Unfortunately, that was when the IBBs had a nice reversal. Then it cleared this spot right here. So you did get a little bit of a red dog reversal on Friday, some downside follow through. So we'll see. If Hillary's really strong tonight, maybe we'll get a chance to buy the bios right around here. If Trump all of a sudden comes up and shakes her up or this and that, maybe the bios continue. And if the bios continue, it can get finally north of that 300. I would say the next real level here, comes a little bit closer to 320. But again, there's binary risk tonight. So as a trader, you want to wait. Yes, and this week could be volatile, but with volatility, it creates opportunities. So stay on your toes, tune into the morning call, read my note every day. I try and put the prep on the table for you, so this way you're prepared for whatever the market gives you.
就像斯伯特所说的那样，每天的市场都在发生着非常巨大的变化，因此希望您持续的关注我们的节目。感谢您的收看，我们明天再见。